Welcome to another Tech Tips from That Tech Guy. Today I'm going to show you how to connect your AverVision F50 AM to your Mac. This little side piece pops off, if you've never seen that before. And on the side there's a little switch. We're going to switch it to RGB. There are two cables we need, and this is the mini USB, and it goes into here. The other end will go into your PC or Mac. And then we have the power. The other end goes into the power outlet, of course. Now we're going to power it on. I'm not going to speed this process up so you know how long it takes to actually power up. You will hear the motor in the camera moving while it's powering on. And power and camera PC should be blue. Now we're going to open up QuickTime. We're going to go to the top right to the search icon and type in QuickTime. We're going to click the QuickTime option, double click, and nothing will pop up on your screen. But on the top left it will say QuickTime Player, and we're going to click File and New Movie Recording. And here we're going to click OK and OK again. The first thing you will see is your face because it is using your Mac's webcam. We're going to click this little down caret and select your document camera. And once you do that, you're done. Thanks for watching.